God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you.
Hey guys. Hi. Welcome to a new vlog. If you are new here, my name is Ruth, or you can call me Mrs. K, whatever you prefer. Today is what day is it today? Today is a Monday. Riley did not go to school because they were on a midterm break. So we undid her hair. She's gonna plait today because tomorrow she's gonna school child. I'm so sorry, I'm trying to pack. Yeah. So I'm gonna take her to the salon. We are by G West. I'm gonna go to BBS. I'm gonna go to BBS because I need to go to Molaudi's office and drop off my husband and I's marriage certificate. So they called last week, they're like, highball. So you guys just decided to, keep your marriage certificates to yourselves, and we're like, what are you talking about? So apparently we were supposed to return two copies to them. So we didn't know if they told us. Honestly, I don't know why we didn't get it. But none of us, best man, best lady, none of us know about that. But yeah, I have them here. Mr. and Mrs. Kaisara. It's upside down. Mr. and Mrs. Kaisara. So yeah, let's drop Riley off. I need to take these. And then we have a voucher that we got as a wedding gift. Yeah, Cotton Cloud. So I think I'm just going to go in the 1 year more the fields, because it's near G West, so that I can pick Riley up, and then we're gonna head back home. So yeah, let's go. It's so cold today. What's it, guys? But yeah, let's go to Malawi. You gotta get serious. I couldn't find simple earrings to wear today. I grabbed some in my bag, but I feel like they're so dramatic. It's not that deep. I need to change I changed my mom, by the way, to my new surname. That's the only thing I changed, to be honest. So I want to go make a new passport, probably tomorrow though, so that if people want to surprise me with a trip at December, I'm ready. Let's go, guys. Yeah, but mama Jimo. This car is so dirty. But yeah, I'm gonna have some crackers and this Clarks and Sons and the flavor. I think it's basil and mint lemonade. I love it. Mrs. Haurung put me on, and I've loved it since. Honestly, I'm so hungry. I was gonna make fries before we left the house, but I felt like a child. It's like 18 minutes past 3. Government offices are very early. Quick update. So I came here, but they won't, because we only got 2 copies from Muruti, I believe we only got two copies, guys. Literally, when I tell you, I barely remember anything that happened on our wedding day. Some things I do remember, but for the most part, honestly, I don't. Like, how many copies were there? Like, how many marriage certificates were there? I don't know. Did anybody tell us we're supposed to bring them back to the DC office? I don't know. But yeah, we have to basically ask Maruti to make us 2 copies because we already laminated like the 2 copies that we had, the 2 marriage certificates, because we thought one's for me, one's for my husband. I don't know why we thought that, but apparently we're only supposed to keep 1 certificate, so we get 3. 1 is for us, 1 they take to headquarters, and then 1 they keep here in BBS. So now we have to go back with best man and best lady, go sign with Maruti, and then take those 2 marriage certificates to this office plus 1 here that we laminated that they're going to shred, because we're only supposed to have 1 marriage certificate. So I don't know, because my husband is in Mahalape working. I don't know if he can come tomorrow when he knocks off from a night shift, because Bakang's also not working tomorrow. I don't know about best man, but we'll see. We'll try and see the schedule. I was here, I'm supposed to be here till I think Thursday, because we are having a grand opening of CRST on the 1st of November, which is Wednesday. So I was gonna go like Thursday morning. Yeah. Anyway, let's go to the fields. Let's go try and get me. Wait, let me try and get number ya Cotton Cloud and ask if I have a voucher. Can I retrieve it in any of the branches before I leave BBS? I'm gonna try out this dessert that we got from Fifi from her flighty 30-day party. I forgot what flavor this is, but it looks like it has like chocolate something, so probably like a chocolate mousse, chocolate brownie, something like it. Nice, really nice. It's not too sweet. It's really nice. Let me save some for Riley. It's too good. So I'm by the fields. I just found parking. So let's go to Cotton Cloud. Kizele di chips tsa park. So I wanna pass by Spa to get her a few packets.
So she has different things of her.
Nice. Hey guys. I haven't been... Did I even vlog? Did I start this vlog? I think I did. I don't know what I was doing. But yeah, I went out for breakfast with Nono. Nono is my sister from another mother. We were celebrating her birthday. And then... Oh. You're such a party pooper. So, the next day, or 2 days later, the next day, we had our grand opening, the official opening of CRC Tlokweng, a whole entire 3,000 seater. So please, if you don't have a church, do join us. So today is Friday. I'm with my husband. He came for the grand opening, so he's been here since. I went to the daily grind. I think on Riley's birthday, I had the waffles, crispy chicken something. I told him it was nice. So since then, he's been wanting to go to the daily grind to try it out. So today, we are going to the daily grind with my husband so that he can go try it out. Yeah, you can turn here. I don't know what I'm gonna order, to be honest. Might order the same. I might. I'll see. Might. Because the other day with Nono, I had a egg, bacon, and cheese. Ooh. Egg, bacon, and cheese sandwich. That's really, really nice. It was so tasty. So yeah, I'll see. I'll try and explore that menu more. I'll probably ask the waiter what they recommend. So yeah, I have had a very busy morning. Work. We are now doing decor, small little decor. So if you want our services, please hit us up. We're having an event tomorrow. We're having 2 events tomorrow. One for a baby, one for a bridal shower. So I will vlog that so you guys see what we can do for you. Okay, so today we're just preparing like props, backdrops, wiping things, washing glasses, etc, the works. And then Gamos obviously just to do the setup. So I also need to get balloons today, which is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna collect the vinyl cutouts. Gonna collect the vinyl cutouts, printouts, everything with the program and everything. So yeah, come along with us today. I'm with my husband, and on the side we are still dealing with the marriage certificate thing that I told you guys. I managed to get some goho pasta. There's packing happy. They have underground packing as well, so hella happy to 10. Oh, it's your first time at the daily grind, ne? Oh baby. Rappel. For that venins, you can turn left, that's a 10. My face looks so much better, ne? Like it?
It's underground and everything.
I think what?
Sure.
Yeah, packing your thing is good. Guys, we see daily grind, yeah, so good, it's like a packing. We really, really like it, but the packing thing is way too small. For him. Breakfast stack is mine. Thank you. Hey, what are you like these? Oh, maybe. Good morning, guys. I haven't even taken a bath, but we are off to set up at the first location, which is like a kiddies party. It's Ava's birthday party. So let's go. We have the balloons here. Nono's already there setting up. I'm gonna show you guys what my mom made for breakfast. How cute is she? Gorgeous girls have baths. Gorgeous girls are off to work. So we're off to our second location. If you haven't already noticed, the theme for the bridal shower is shades of pink. So this is what we have here. The bride to be loves that color, that shade of pink. So that is the majority of what we have. I think we have everything we need, so we're gonna head out now. It's raining and they don't have a shade. Well, we're gonna set up. They did not want a tent. I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's go set up and see how it turns out.
You're a perfect man, got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see the eye? And now I'm better and better. No longer what I used to be better.
Hey guys, I'm with my husband. As you can tell, we are at Wimpy Mahalate. Today is a Sunday. It's so hot, so he was at work and he sent me a message that we will go out for ice cream when he knocks off. So we are at Wimpy. I ordered a Bawan waffle. He ordered a burger. I don't know what kind of ice cream date this is. But I ordered a burger, but we're here. So yeah, I just thought of you guys. I'm attending our wedding this weekend. We are at our favorite ice cream spot. We go KFC. We're getting 4 soft shells. We do that all the time. So that he has 2, I have 2. Don't ask me why, but we do that. I like mine. Hey guys, another day on this vlog. Today is Thursday and we are going to a wedding tomorrow. So my hair looks ready because I am actually heading to the hair salon to get my hair braided one day you find yourself Mama Halabe, you can check her out to do your hair. She's really good, really good. So yeah, I'm so excited. My friend is getting married. I'm so excited. So they are having a, I hope this car's not making so much noise now, because I think I hear it. So as I was saying, they're having the Batla Mahadi tomorrow, which is Friday, and then they are gonna have the Khoroso on Sunday. And then the Barada shower is gonna be next week. So I think I'll also vlog with her permission, obviously, because the lady is my friend, and then we're marrying her off. So my man got some days off so that we could go together to our wedding. I'm so excited. It's the first wedding we're gonna be attending together since we got married. So this is the salon. This is where I get my hair done. So you ask for tippy. Let me move. Hey guys, the last time I talked to you guys, I was headed to the salon to get my hair done. I managed. This is what I have on, with some braids at the back. We are actually just waiting for something. We're on our way to Gibbs. I was working this morning, but the wedding, I believe they started early this morning with the battle, which was scheduled to start at 5 a.m. So I was not able to attend that. So my husband and I are only approaching Gibbs right now. We're gonna go to my mom's house to change into something a bit more traditional for me, though I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Poppy was supposed to make me a top, but Poppy did me dirty. She was supposed to make me a top so that at least I can wear it with like a skirt or something I have, but she didn't manage to do so. So I have this corset top that I once wore. I'm gonna put a picture this side. I think I'm gonna wear that if it still fits me. And then I have the skirts, but I don't have a skirt. I have material that my mom brought me while she was still traveling to from one of the Western African countries. So I have that material. So I saw a video on TikTok. I'm gonna put it on the side. So this lady was making a skirt from material Adirisa Kabelo, or safety pins, whatever you want to call it. So I think I'm just gonna try that with some tights underneath so it can be secure, and then head to the wedding. Honestly, there's nothing I can do. I don't even think I'm gonna do my makeup. Probably just foundation on my way to the wedding, brush my eyebrows, lipstick, done. At this point there's nothing much I can do. So right now we're just waiting by the road. There are explosives. Honestly, I don't think that hectic to be age. But yeah, I honestly wanted to get to the wedding much earlier so I can see the bride and all of her dresses and wear my mochagolwane and attend the battle. I wanted to experience all that, but you know what? It's part of life. So I'm just hoping we get there before it gets dark. That's the only thing I'm hoping for right now. Hey guys, so we are officially changed. Hey, my top is a whole entire mess, but I hope we can make it work. So we are headed to the wedding now. It's so late, you guys, it's so late, but I managed. I took my mom's headscarf, turned it to a skirt because the material that I thought I was gonna use is too big for what I wanted to use it for. And then my husband couldn't find his nude pants, so he's wearing a pair of jeans. It's the only thing he has here that's long that somebody can wear, you know. So let's go. No makeup on my face. To be honest, I wish I could do better, but I can't. We'll try again on Sunday. I think so. Good morning. Happy Sunday. That's so morning. Happy Sunday, everybody. Today we are going to the Khoroso. I think I've already mentioned before that Khosoho's Khoroso is in Kanye. So my husband and I are just leaving Gibbs right now. We are heading to the Khoroso and lunch. This time around we are on time. So we are going to enjoy the wedding fully. We just went to show face because it was so late. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I talked to Munyadi I think about 2 hours ago. 2 or 3 hours ago. They were about to leave Gibbs as well, head over to that side. Then she could get her makeup done. So I think by the time we get there, they'll be ready to start everything. So excited. Let's go. I tried to do my makeup. Not too bad, but I've had better days. We are in Kanye. I called Munyadi. They haven't started, so we decided to quickly pass by KFC. So we are by the mall right now. Umangala Mall. So we're just gonna grab something by KFC and probably drinks and probably something to drink by Spa. We have a KFC cooler box. We have water inside, so I think we'll just put more drinks inside. I need Red Bull because I slept really late last night, so I'm kind of tired. So yeah, let's go get something to eat.
just know this and know this. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. God, you call me by my name. The love you give me. I never leave my baby. I never leave my baby. Why would I run up? I never leave. I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come here when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you.
Hey guys, hello. Today is Monday. We are still in Kabelo, but we're leaving, I think around lunchtime. So since we do not have a BURS base in Mahalape, I thought since I'm here, let me get to BURS and try to do some stuff for the company, my catering company. I didn't manage because the girl did not file her returns. So I'm just gonna go back because I'm gonna come to Gibbs this weekend either way. Sorry. So I think I can do that then. Okay, my mom called. So yeah, I thought that's what I should do since I'm here. My only option would be to go to Palape, but since I'm gonna come to Gibbs next week for a bridal shower, it's okay, I'll do that then. So right now I left my husband at BURS actually, because he's just trying to check if he's doing everything right. So I'm quickly rushing to Dischem because we have run out of our skincare. I actually wanted to try the Korean skincare, but I have not done my research yet. I think let me just do things kabunya. I'll probably get the snail thing first and then just try to build that collection because that's really what I'm using right now, and then just jump right into Korean skincare. But I'm hearing very good things about it from Durueto. So yeah, let's go to Dischem. I'm currently using the CeraVe face wash with a Cetaphil moisturizer. So I actually want to start using a retinol or salicylic acid as a serum in my skincare routine. I used to use vitamin C and is it niacinamide or hyaluronic acid, one of the two, but I feel like right now I don't think my face is doing so good. So let's quickly rush to Dischem, then I'm gonna pick up baby and then go to Senators with Shazzy.
No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone.
So Shaz just called. She just got to Senators and but the restaurant is closed. I don't know if it's closed forever, closed for today, I don't know. So I just called Studio Cafe. That's where we're gonna go actually.
Someone told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Galway, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Galway, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.